3 reasons to buy. Healthier, faster, perfectly crispy results. TurboBlaze cooks evenly with 5 fan speeds and precise temperatures. PFAS-free ceramic basket, dishwasher safe, big 6-quart square capacity, fast preheat, and 9450 degrees Fahrenheit range for versatile cooking. TurboBlaze's 3,600 revolutions per minute. Fan delivers crispy outsides, tender insides. 5 adjustable speeds let you dial precise texture every time. Square basket fits family portions. Meal prep, 20 wings comfortably. Less oil, same crunch. Enjoy up to 95% less fat. Quiet kitchen, under 53 decibels, even at highest fan speed. Auto pause when you remove basket, keeps cooking safe and easy. Customizable preheat, adjusts time by temperature, or skip it. Resume cooking automatically when basket returns. No guesswork. PFAS-free ceramic coating resists scratches. Adds evenly, cleans quickly. Included recipe book and manual. Start you cooking instantly. Test run. Removes odors. Follow manual before first use. 9 preset modes. Cover, air, fry, roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate. Soft start motor reduces noise while reaching high heat quickly. Durable build, and replacement parts available for long-term ownership. Perfect for families, fitness enthusiasts, and seniors focused on health. Great for meal prep, fast batches, consistent results every time. Safety tips. Don't fill with oil. Keep crisper plate secure. Use air fryer liners for easier cleanup during busy cooking days. Crisp frozen foods directly. No thawing needed. Fast results. Control every meal with precise temperature and 2 4-hour timer. Compact footprint fits small kitchens, countertops, and apartment spaces. Dishwasher-safe basket and crisper plate make cleanup truly effortless. Hear from our followers consistent 5-star reviews for performance. Ready to upgrade dinner? Tap Buy Now and Cook Smarter. Follow for recipes, hacks, and quick TurboBlaze meal ideas. Grab yours today. Healthier, faster, consistently delicious family meals.